In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multi-send mode in Gmail. This is a handy feature that can help streamline your communication process, especially if you're looking to send the same email to multiple recipients without them knowing who else received it. Let's dive into these simple steps to enhance your emailing efficiency. First, we'll begin with what we all need to do: open your Gmail account. You can do this by heading to the usual web page and signing in with your credentials if you aren't already logged in. Once your inbox is visible, keep an eye out for that familiar Compose button, usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on this will open a new email window where we'll start crafting our message. The next part of the process is crucial: entering your recipients' email addresses. After clicking Compose, you'll notice the typical fields for adding email addresses: to, CC, and BCC. For our purpose today, we'll be concentrating on the BCC field, short for blind carbon copy. This is perfect for keeping the email addresses of your recipients confidential, as nobody will be able to see who else got the email. To access the BCC option, simply click the BCC button, which you'll find near the CC button, revealing a field to enter addresses. In this space, go ahead and add all the email addresses of your intended recipients. It's important to make sure that the email addresses are correctly spelled and complete to avoid any delivery issues. As with any email, you'll need a subject. Think of the subject line as your email's first impression, helping to clearly communicate the main point of your message. It's generally a good idea to keep it concise yet informative. Now that you've got the logistical details out of the way, it's time to compose your email message. Write your message with care, ensuring that it conveys the intended information or emotion clearly. Remember, even though you're sending to multiple recipients, you still want each to feel as if the message was meant just for them. When you're satisfied with your email's content, take one last moment to review everything, from the addresses in the BCC field to any attachments you planned on including. Satisfied with your draft, it's time to hit send. Click that send button with confidence, knowing your message will arrive at each intended inbox without revealing your recipient list to all. By leveraging Gmail's multi-send mode with the BCC feature, you enhance your ability to communicate efficiently and with intention. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful in mastering your email communications. Until next time, GRJT.